Man, I had to go do it. Put it all out, set it all up, do a good job at it. And it's gonna snow. It's gonna snow real hard, like it never snowed before. It's showtime!
I'm done. I'm fed up. What this over? Never came.
Get my planks all ready. That's all I can do now.
They were doing good until now. I don't think I need this anymore.
Whew, man.
Ooh, a boot. And I know whose car that is, man. Oh, man. They booted it all up. What are they gonna do?
He on Fish? Yeah, man. The other state don't fool around. But there's another car that's got no registration or nothing. And nothing's done. Even people, they don't bother to fix their windows. They leave the rear and just go. That's been that way since early spring, midsummer. Oh man, the way it is. There's about 10 cars on this block, all used. I just passed 2 of them at least. You got it, man. That's life. I gotta clean up. I really do. Oh man, look at this. It's another booted car. Let's take a look to see if the boot's on. There it is, right there. That's how things go. Maybe they got the other car. Oh, they were saying they're coming around and giving citations. And they sure are. You know what's so funny? You're not allowed to do one of these. Put a cover on unless you show your registration and license plate. Why not do something about that? I guess cars like these don't need registration inspection stickers. They sure do, man. They only got one little sticker on it. Here's another one. And another one. That's what life's about, man. Just having used cars on the block. You want to know what's so funny? I'm going to pass another one. And another one. You got it. Here it is. You got this one. Right? You gotta go find these people. And you got this one here. Imagine taking all these cars away. You got a lot of spots. I like the Toyota. I think I'm got a short vlog today. On that note, get you a bag. Know who you are. I got another one over there across the street. And I got this one over here. Look it. Just got the plate, things falling off. No sticker. I just don't get it. I'm Fish. And I'll catch you later.
I
swore I started up and it took me forever. Spring is here.